Understanding AI, from narrow intelligence to superintelligence. Imagine a world where machines think, learn, and evolve just like humans. This revolutionary journey starts with ANI, advances to AGI, and culminates in ASI. ANI, or artificial narrow intelligence, is what we see in today's technology. ANI is specialized, designed to perform specific tasks exceedingly well. Think of your smartphone's voice assistant or a recommendation algorithm. These are prime examples of ANI, excelling in limited, predefined domains. Next, we encounter AGI, or artificial general intelligence. AGI strives to mimic human cognitive abilities across diverse tasks, not just one specialized field. AGI would enable machines to understand, learn, and apply knowledge flexibly, just like humans do. It can solve problems in any context, adapting seamlessly. Imagine a robot that can carry out household chores, tutor your child, and even offer emotional support. That's the potential of AGI, a truly versatile intelligence. The ultimate frontier is ASI, or artificial superintelligence. ASI surpasses human intelligence in all respects, from creativity to problem-solving and emotional intelligence. ASI could revolutionize industries, medicine, and even governance. With its unmatched capabilities, ASI holds the promise of solving complex global challenges. However, the power of ASI comes with its own set of ethical considerations. Ensuring it aligns with human values is crucial to leveraging its potential safely. The journey from ANI to ASI is not just technological but philosophical, pushing us to rethink our very essence and role in a world shared with intelligent machines. As we progress, it's vital to stay informed, engaged, and proactive in shaping the future of AI. Understanding ANI, AGI, and ASI is the first step. Join us as we navigate this fascinating landscape, unlocking the mysteries and potentials of artificial intelligence, one breakthrough at a time.